Hey everybody, so one of the designers right now at Target is Dolce Vita shoes, and I was at Target today and I came across these and totally fell in love. And I always look at high heels and wedges, but I don't end up buying them because I don't end up wearing them. I end up wearing like Chucks or flats or flip-flops every day. So I carried around the whole store and then decided, you know what, I just got two $20 gift cards. I'm just gonna buy them because if I don't, I'm gonna want them and they're not gonna be there later. So they're $29.99. I got them in black. They're super cute. They are pretty high. I mean, that's pretty high. I don't know what that is, like 5 inches. But the footbed is cushioned and the sole is rubber, so you're not gonna slip and fall. And what I really like is the back. It zippers in the back, but the back is like where your ankle goes. It's like velvety, so it's super soft in there too, so your foot's not gonna get like blistered or irritated. And I ended up wearing them around the house. And another good thing is I have very narrow feet, and my foot usually like slides through this part of sandals if it's high up. And they're pretty good. I mean, they slid a little bit, but not too bad. I did take pictures of the other ones that were in the store. I don't know how, maybe there's more that I just didn't see. But I live between a Target and a Super Target, so next time I'm at Super Target I will check them out and see if there are any other ones. I'll just add the pictures, I guess, to the end of this video. But they're super cute. They're $29.99. I think they will look good with jeans. They're pretty comfortable for high shoes, guys. Anyways, those are the shoes, and I hope that was helpful, and hopefully you can find them at your Target. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hope that was helpful. Bye.